Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. So the first step is open up your GCash and then log to your account. Once you are in, make sure to log in on the old phone or your previous device. Once you have logged to your previous device, you just need to click on profile on the bottom of your screen and then go for the setting. Once you are in your settings, you need to click on the account secure on the top. You click on there, you will have the option of unregister phone. So you just need to click on this particular option. Once you do so, you just need to confirm your identity again. And once you are done, you can now log to your GCash account. So that's the process of how you can fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.